Royal Air Force receives First Protector drone. The Royal Air Force has received the First Protector aircraft, the latest remotely piloted aircraft system, RPAS, marking a significant milestone in the nation's defense capabilities. The Protector is a British version of the MQ-9B Sky Guardian remotely piloted aircraft system developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, Inc. Equipped with a suite of advanced surveillance equipment, the Protector drone provides the RAF with a critical global surveillance capability. Remotely piloted from RAF Waddington, it has an impressive operational range with the ability to fly at altitudes of up to 40,000 feet and an endurance of over 30 hours. The arrival of the Protector aircraft demonstrates the UK's commitment to maintaining state-of-the-art surveillance and reconnaissance capabilities that can be rapidly deployed against potential adversaries around the world. Underlining the UK's commitment to being at the forefront of defence technology, Defence Procurement Minister James Cartledge said, "The UK's world-class Protector will highlight our state-of-the-art surveillance and intelligence capabilities, ready to be deployed against potential adversaries around the world." The initial phase of Protector testing at RAF Waddington will include a series of ground tests, including assessments of satellite links, taxiing, and takeoff and landing procedures. This phase of testing will include circuit procedures over RAF Waddington. The arrival of the remaining 15 Protector aircraft will follow a phased delivery plan. The arrival of the UK's first Protector to the Royal Air Force is the culmination of years of work by many people across the MOD. The ISR capability team will work with 56 Squadron, our test and evaluation experts, who will put the aircraft through its paces to ensure it is ready for operational service next year, while the newly reformed 31 Squadron will focus on preparing the aircraft for operational service. This is an important milestone for the program, the Air Force, and the wider defense community, and I am delighted to see the Protector at RAF Waddington, said Air Commodore Alex Hicks, Senior Responsible Officer for the Protector program. In addition to taking on the operational roles currently performed by the Reaper, which has provided outstanding service in continuous operations for over 15 years, the Protector will be certified to stringent NATO safety and certification standards, enabling it to operate in both UK and European civil airspace. Thanks for watching. Subscribe Defense Lab's YouTube channel for aviation and defense industry news and updates.